I know what I wanted to tell you. Before you have surgery, some items to ensure your surgery is a success. You have to be in the right mindset. Before I knew I was having surgery, I started meditating in 2020. And that helped me get in the right mindset. Ava's barking at that dog through the window. So you have to be in the right mindset. You have to have good people around you. You can't deal with Ava. Negative energy, even if it means that you have to just stop seeing friends, sometimes family, because you don't want any negative energy around you. And you have to have people that are willing to help you, be there for you, and get your body right. Like, I've been working on my health seriously for the past 2 years or 3 years. But when I discovered I was having surgery, I really started eating right, making more smoothies, and I added beets, carrots, and all those good green vegetables and fruits. So those are the things that helped me get through my surgery. All right, mental state, which I had a couple of years before I found out I was having surgery. The right people around you. No drama whatsoever. And a semi-healthy body, or healthy body. I wasn't 100% healthy, but I was the healthiest I've been in a while. And after my surgery, my numbers determined I was even healthier before I went in for my surgery. Hello. Today is March 8th. Almost 6 weeks into my post-surgery. I'm still tired. They say you can remain day. Who is day? The doctor said you can remain tired for 4 to 6 months after surgery. I get tired, like, say for instance, walking around a house or just sitting up sometimes watching TV. I get tired. Or my son and I went to Roosters the other day, and I just got tired all of a sudden. But I'm feeling a other than the tiredness and my inside stitch is still healing, I can still feel it. I'm feeling like 97% myself. I'm ready to go back to work Monday after 6 weeks. Have you ever heard anybody say they're ready to go back to work? But it's because I have a great team, great boss, and we work together. It's not a competition with us. I've worked in some groups and some job where everything is a competition because it's so competitive, and sometimes people just don't want to help each other because they want the promotion, they want the recognition. But with my team right now, it's not that way. So before I had my surgery, I was tired because of the fibroids all the time. I'm like, where did my energy go? I'm still tired, and I'll be tired for the next several months after doing just a little bit. I'm considered obese. I'll show you the chart. I weigh 179. When I went in for my surgery, I was 191. I told you that I was going to tell you how I overcame the pre-diabetes in 2016. I searched Dr. Google, and he told me that kale and cantaloupe, fresh, if you eat that daily, twice a day, substituted for other snacks, it will improve your health and improve your energy. And I did just that, and it helped. And I've told other people about it that has diabetes or was diagnosed with pre-diabetes, what I did, and they did the same thing, and it helped their glucose levels. I'm tired. I cannot. If you see me not pronouncing the words completely, it's because I've been up since 1:30, all because I go to bed early. So I'm trying to stay awake as late as I can so I can get back on my schedule before I start work on Monday. So before my surgery, my doctor had a talk with me a week before and asked me what I wanted to do with my ovaries. So we're going to backtrack and talk about my doctor that I got rid of. Before I found this wonderful doctor. So the doctor I had before, she said, well, we don't want to do about your ovaries if we find that they're healthy. I said, I want to keep my ovaries if they're healthy. Okay. Because she's like, well, you don't really need them, but if you want to keep them, okay. I said, okay. So a week at my pre-surgery visit, she's like, you might just take your ovaries out because you're going to go into menopause eventually. No, that's my body, my decision, and I told you if they're healthy, I want to keep them. So during my surgery, when I woke up, I found out that they were healthy and they stayed intact. So I won't be going into menopause anytime soon. And the symptoms I had before my surgery, I told you, was tiredness, backache sometimes, no desire for sex, no desire for a relationship. I think no desire for a relationship stemmed from COVID and just tired, like, of the trying to be in a relationship, trying to trust people. And it was just tiring, like, and then COVID helped because I haven't been in a relationship, haven't dated anybody, haven't talked us on the phone like, I'm interested in you, for 3 years now. And like I said, some of that was due to COVID, some of that was due to my experiences, and some of that, a lot of that was due to my fibroids, tiredness, and my body just changing. But let me tell you, after my surgery, a week after my surgery, my desire for sex came back. Physically, but mentally, no. I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready for that mentally. But physically, I'm like, it's there. But you know what? We'll just do some hobbies or watch TV or so to get rid of that feeling. So that'd be great when I do decide or meet that special person, when I do decide I want to try to be in a relationship. Let me see, I want to tell you something else. Told you about the obesity, told you about my symptoms, told you about, I showed you my scar. I think that's it. So when I have my appointment this Friday, I'll update you. Hopefully the doctor will release me to do almost normal things. I know I can't do a lot of things I used to do because I still feel my inside scars healing. I feel them bugging, like, especially close to my belly button. But I just want to tell you that. And when I get my silicone strips, I'll show you those and see how much they help my scar heal. They're supposed to bring your scar together, grow new skin and all that. Until then, and I'm sleepy right now. See those? I keep rubbing my eyes. So, till next time.